Welcome back to my vlog channel. And look, we have Scotty here. We just dug up some potato right there, but now he's going to get some more for us. So Scotty is looking some potato.
Nice one, yeah.
Ah, yes, man.
We're gonna do some roasting.
Yeah.
So
I want they split.
yeah, but this could sell kind of split round and round.
Oh,
you have one
okay.
split.
Yeah.
It seems like 2 split, 3 split.
Yeah.
The market refuses it.
Okay. So we are going to bake roast.
No, we're gonna bake potato, sweet potato.
We're gonna bake or roast, whatever.
Yeah,
So we're gonna bake some sweet
They would
potato.
say bake. We just say roast, but they just say you bake it.
Alright, we're roasting it.
Roasting it.
And we're gonna roast it with some roast saltfish. Cause you know we're on the farm.
Add some saltfish to it.
Yeah.
What time we come to. Just throw it in here like this. Cause the fire is very big.
Yeah.
The heat is very hot. So you can't really go up in the fire like that. Oh, so we get some nice potato.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with the fire like this.
Cover it a little bit. That one they have gone up already. The heat's already not starting.
Yes, I have to have room.
Yes, I have rum.
Very heatful. Yeah, so we are giving it. So the heat hot. We are going to do it like it would have normally take at least half hour, which is 30 minutes. So this we have with the extra hot. The oven is very carrying heaty, so it's going to take about 25 to 20 minutes to bake.
Okay. Then Scotty with the saltfish.
Oh, we have the saltfish.
Answer take the saltfish, Scotty.
We have the saltfish. We are coming.
And as you can see, guys, Scotty is almost finished with plowing the land over here for the Irish potato. And tomorrow we're going to plant out the Irish potato. God bless me, true word. Yes, so tomorrow we're going to plant out all of the, well, tomorrow and Friday. Tomorrow and Thursday?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow and Thursday. We're going to plant out the rest of the Irish potato seeds. Alright. You can see down there in the middle section there, some of the grass started to spring up because we had a couple days of rain.
Yeah, but we're gonna kill it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna resoften it.
Yeah.
Because we did dig it a couple days before. So the mice, so that the rain like beating, we're gonna build it up back.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna build it up back.
Yes, yes, yes.
So we have the saltfish here, we don't put it in the fire again.
Huh?
We have the saltfish here,
Yeah.
so we don't want to put it in the fire again.
Yeah.
Make the potato kind of do little half thing before we. Right, it's now it's ready to turn. You just turn it over like that.
Yeah. I want the well bake already. Start to burn. It's carrying a piece of heat, still enough, Scotty.
Yeah. That's why you have to have long stick a lot of.
Let's show them some of the things that we planted and what has transpired since. All of this hole you're looking at here is
dasheen.
dasheen
Yeah.
and cocoa.
Yeah. Now we have less cocoa. We don't have say more dasheen. This is more dasheen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have lots of dasheen more than cocoa.
Yes.
And then now
You cut it up.
Yeah, the reason why you see these come out so very fast because these are sucker.
Yes.
And then now we have to do some cutting with some of the head that's big.
Right.
So those head that cut, they take a little time for dissolve out the dirt.
Yeah. Alright, so over here now, Scotty, we plant string beans and red peas down there.
Yeah, we plant a little red peas.
This is what? The string bean, right?
Yeah, we have the string bean there. You can see a lot of them don't come out as yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
that's how it is. Some germinate faster than some.
Exactly. So
down there now, let me zoom it up.
We are still preparing for the Irish potato. We have a couple more drill to dig.
Yes.
But we have, unfortunately, we are doing a little bit of roasting right now, so we have to kind of ease off till when we go back, because it's our work and we know what we are doing.
And we hungry.
Yeah, we know what we are doing, so
and we hungry. Yeah, guys. So let me continue over here now and show you what has happened in the couple of days. As you can see right here, that's the carrot starting to hatch. That's the mixture carrot, rainbow carrots they call it. They're hatching and we planted them in rows to see how they would turn out. So you have some right there hatching, and they're hatching going across. Alright, now down here we have the red peas, and the red peas them start to burst, as you can see. So the 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, how much days? About 5 days? The couple of days you weren't here, Scotty. Everything start bust up.
Yeah, because they have a lot of 3 to 4 more days.
Yeah.
As long as those seeds was rotten out, to germinate out.
Yeah.
Because you have some seed, them eye easy to turn. So when them eye easy to turn, them come out fast.
Yeah.
Those when them eye they close in, it take a longer time to push out.
Yes, yes.
And then after that, I have to send the root to make it come out so strong.
Yes. Yes, and this is where Scotty had reached. And me realize say you find out one big fat earthworm. Eh? One big fat earthworm you find.
Yeah, more than one in the earth. But those earthworms are too harmful.
Look at the earthworm.
This is saltfish.
Yeah.
Roast the saltfish now.
Yeah.
I'll put the saltfish on the back first so that the skin can easy to lift up. And I'll put it down.
Quarter pound of saltfish.
You see when you put it like this, it roasts, but it come like it wet is soft.
Yeah.
So you just put it on the back.
Right.
And make it dry down. And then you spin it off with the skin can easy to move.
Sweet potato almost ready too.
Yeah.
That's dinner. Roast potato and roast saltfish.
I will tell you.
Want already, Scotty? Want a bit more?
Yeah, you want to properly. Soak.
So the potato is ready.
Yeah.
And look there. Yellow belly.
So pretty big.
My God, roast potato. Yeah.
Wow, the shiny potato are real.
Oh my God. Pretty, you know? Not take off too much of the skin because I want some of the skin to eat.
You want some of the skin?
Just scrape it right. Just scrape it out. Cut him this. To my plate. To my plate here. So our plate this evening is cocoa leaf. Thank you. Alright, so.
Oh, man.
Yes. Yes.
Oh
Hey,
my
you make me
God.
potato waste. Hey, Scotty, don't run with it, you know.
I'm not going to take this. It's cooler.
I'm a saltfish. Don't cut my saltfish more. Hey. Roast saltfish, guys.
Yeah. Let me park here.
Thank you, man. Respect farm manager.
Yeah, man. That's how it goes, huh?
Yes, I.
That's how we deal with the bush thing.
Yes. Yeah, we not have to make no chicken and no.
No, man, natural.
Everything natural. See it there? Roast sweet potato and roast saltfish. Scotty say in overseas people call it baked potato.
Yeah, big.
Alright, and this is my seat, you know, right here, so me I sit down.
You have to actually have water to deal with them potatoes if you choke.
Carry my water come too. Hello guys. So here is my sweet potato and my roast saltfish. And now I'm going to indulge. Hey, me go feed my face like my granny used to say. I'm gonna feed my face. It had roast cut. Nice, not true?
Kiss the white one.
White one?
Kiss it.
This is the white one, guys.
Oh my God.
The sweet Scotty. Let me turn the camera up on Scotty.
Sweet, guys. It's sweet, sweet, sweet. Can't done. The sweetest potato this.
Man.
The white one here. Oh my God. You want to taste it?
Let me not taste the white one yet. I want to taste it now.
Look at it. Nice. Very soft.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God. Look at it, man. This one is sweet potato, but it is like Irish potato.
Yeah. I prefer the yellow belly still. Yellow belly sweeter to me. This well hot, you know, Scotty, no ramp with it, you know.
No,
Oh, God.
you have to have your water.
It's
Sugary.
Scotty, where your water?
It's right here.
Scotty. Yeah. My saltfish. Nice, not true, Scotty. See the part I me like. When you scrape off the bottom part and you eat the part here, the hard part, it's nice, you know? So far I can be a maca. Turn to Scotty and video.
Yeah, watch me now.
Hold your hand steady, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm peeling off this.
Yeah, Scotty, I show the nice part. Give me the part then.
Yeah, no, me didn't want to crepe it out about giving you.
Yes.
Yeah, because we know we said it's very soft and tender. So we don't even want to peel off everything.
Turn it to me, yeah. I can't switch it so fast. I will take time. I still have a burner part. And nice part, you know. Nice.
You eat the skin? Really?
It's nice.
I think this is yours.
Thank
You're going to cool
you.
it.
Put it, the camera on yours. What's that?
I will man no. Thank you.
Burning you?
Yes.
Man, then you know video me, man. Yes, guys, so You know, this is what it's all about. Living naturally.
Natural food.
Yes.
Keep it natural.
Must cut your enjoying food.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Put it on
Very
Scotty.
nice. Yeah, very nice.
Let's switch it, Sashi. Alright, so you see this little area here? Show the grass. We want to farm it up too.
Well, utilize every little place that is we leave out here. Everything go and fall in one when we complete it.
Yeah.
So sweet.
You love it then?
Yeah, hi. Mom.
Put yourself on sit down.
Thank you.
The Uncle Scotty get a stool for you.
Mom, that is good. Mommy, I want a whole pot.
Aha, you want a whole pot?
Yes, Mommy.
Ah,
I'm not joking.
one whole pot of the sweet potato, roast sweet potato.
Eh?
And nice, it nice,
That's what
Scotty.
you love it?
Yes.
My God, you forgot it there when we are dig up it one day. I will just bake some when you come from school that you have it.
Yeah.
You know
And the
what would be
saltfish nice with it, not true?
You see if you ever have the margarine butter?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, the margarine.
Melt and nice.